Man, I cannot believe, y'all. I almost spent $400 back when these first came out, man. I cannot believe it.
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fair. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, we taking a look at a pair of sneakers that, yo, every time these have dropped, I've missed them. When they did little restocks and stuff like that, I missed them. Now, when these first came out, I almost paid $400 for these. I'm not even fronting with y'all. So, if you guys are new to the channel, before we get all the way into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all, and y'all already know, make sure y'all drop a like on the video, man. Appreciate all the love and support that I continue to get from each and every one of y'all. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So, recently, I've already looked at the shoes. I know that's probably loud and everything on the camera. This sneaker did release. Now, I almost paid $400, 400 plus, should I say. I want to say these was going for like $430 at the time when I almost purchased this sneaker. We was at a sneaker convention out there in San Antonio, and we didn't really have too many of them when I was there at the time when I was living there. It was going for between $430 to $450 depending on what size it is, and I've already taken a look at them, man. But this is the Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM Premium. You feel me? I got these in a size 11, and this is the Sail Fossil Medium Curry. I'm talking about busting. Let's go ahead and get them out the box. And we in there. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, y'all. Y'all see it, man. We got the medium curry choice finally, man. Retail, after all these years, man, I've always wanted this one. For some reason, like I said, for some reason the materials on these just remind me of like the Ugly Duckling joints, especially like just the nice hairy suede material on these. Buttery, man. These joints is stupid fresh, man. You got like a brown bottom right there on the bottom of the sneaker, or should I say a tone of brown. Of course, you get hit with the sail. You have the fossil vibes when it comes to the toe box inner and outer panel of this sneaker, and I think that that's really dope on this one. And you get like that little light, again, sail check and everything on there. And then I love how they did the lacing system. Paying homage to the tongue. I think that that's nice. Always matching the tongue with the laces, you can't go wrong with that. I did go true to size with these, but this is one that I just always wanted, man. Always wanted these, and it's crazy because I was talking to the bro Willie about it. They did the shock drop. When they did the shock drop, I put in for them. I didn't hit, but the last time that they finally released these on sneakers a few weeks ago, I was able to pick these up. So now I can finally say I have the medium curry dunk. This is probably one of the only dunks that I can really think of right now at the moment off the top of my head that came out that I really wanted, and I just never got my hands on them, man. And like I said, I almost paid up to, I want to say it was like $430, $450, and I had a sneaker at the convention that we was at that I was willing to trade that was worth almost about around that same amount of money, but I probably would have had to add like $30 to $50 on it. I'm gonna show y'all what I did pick up, and y'all let me know if I won with that, but I can't remember what shoe it was that I was trying to get rid of. That's the hard part. Medium curry dunks, man. We gonna throw these bad boys on feet because that's what we do over here. I gotta lace them up and show y'all what he's looking like. I ain't gonna hold you. I really don't know what I'm about to wear to throw these on feet. I might just do shorts, man. I might just see the shoes in shorts, or y'all might see them in jeans. But let's go ahead and throw these bad boys on feet real quick, and then let's come back behind the camera.
She give me a wig and a coochie. I'm a dog, she in love with a poochie. She know that my feeling be choosy. After I hit her, I tell her to lose me. She see my life and she think it's a movie. This a SRT, boy, we gon' get lost. I just pray to Jesus I don't get cross. Put that pack off in my hand and it's gon' get off. Let them niggas try and play the Glock on miss. Y'all, them niggas wanna see my demon. Hop out quick, might spend this evening. We outside right now, we linkin'. I won't blink till I catch them sleep. I gon' ham if you say we beefin'. 2 cups in, little nigga, I'm leaning. I promise one shit, I my secrets. Perky pill, it got me geeking. Niggas changing, these bitches get irky. Full of pain, so I pop me a perky. Still ain't found me no coochie that's worth it. I remember when you bitches were curvy. Now we flying in them foreigns like birdies. She gon' whip it like she Aisha Curry. We don't spin it, we just giving them bursts. My boy shooter, he 30 for 30. That bitch ain't no regular groupie. Her nigga a regular goofy. I give it like 10 in the Gucci. She give me a wig in that
So I hope you guys enjoyed the full, slight little overview. I can't really call it a full detailed review on these right here because this is one that we've seen. Finally got them in my collection, man. The medium curry dunk low. It's a lot of sneakers, especially when it comes to Yeezys, man. Yeezy, they've been crazy. All the Yeezys that's been dropping. However, this right here is what I ended up grabbing when I didn't grab these in San Antonio. I ended up grabbing a dead stock pair. A dead stock pair of these joints right here, man. And you guys see this, that gold middle pack that came out. You had the 6s, and then you also had the 7s, and I got these DS, man. I got all the accessories, everything with it. Since I picked them up, I did wear them, and if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you guys would have seen when I picked these up back in whenever these it came out, and I picked them up, man. But yes, I've already worn these, worn my 7s and everything, but this was a pack that I had when it originally came out, and it ended up getting stolen, and I didn't have it anymore, so it was nostalgic. I really wanted it. This was my first ever Jordan pack because when the packs was coming out, I wasn't living in the States, so it was a little bit harder for me to try to get my hands on them, but it is what it is, man. I ended up getting that, and I think I even walked away with a little bit of cash on top of that. But y'all let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on the medium curry dunk. Is this one that you guys feel like is super fuego, man? For me, it definitely is, man. This was back when, you know, when I look back and I think about like the dunk wave that was like really popping. You got the ugly duckling colorways. Of course, we had the pandas that came out. You had the cobalt blue joints with the black, and I want to say it had like a little bit of orange. I have those as well. And then, of course, you know, veneers. You had the plums and all them coming out. And I just think that this one right here was one that, man, I am so happy to have this one, y'all. I am so happy to have this one in the collection, man. This was a must-have for your boy, man. Always been a must-have, and I'm glad that I just waited because, if I'm not mistaken, 2021 when these originally came out, then they ended up dropping them again in 2023. Missed them when they did like a slight little drop on them, and then they did the shock drop this year, and then they also did the official release this year. So super fire, man. A lot of good sneakers in 2024, man. But y'all already know the vibes, man. I appreciate you guys rocking out with your boy. Stay tuned, man. Hey, man, we got one of the scent profiles. We're gonna drop probably that one tomorrow after this one, man. And I'm telling y'all, man, this one right here, blind buy. I'm Mr. Blind Buy when it comes to some of these bottles, man. And this one right here, it's a blind buy, but it's one that I've been having on my radar because of just the profile of the notes and everything like that, and just good reviews that I've been reading about it, man. And hey, I love my ooze. So it is what it is, man. Y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys new to the channel. Appreciate all the love and support that I continue to get from each and every one of y'all. Y'all already know the deal, man. Peace, love, and Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Get it!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these